Hello everyone, welcome back to a new week of progressing in our side businesses. In today's video, I want to answer a question that I've come across so many times, and that is how and where to best set up your business email address. If we haven't met yet, hello, my name is Kat, and on this channel I talk all about systems, processes and tools for building a side business with more ease, flow and time for creative ideas. We sign up to so many accounts and services with our business email address, and especially if you are communicating with clients, you want to have a professionally looking, reliable email service and address. Just setting up an @gmail.com address doesn't look very professional. You want to have something where your business name comes after the @. So a lot of the time, the platform where you will buy your website hosting or your domain is going to offer some sort of email hosting as well. And it's really easy to set up, and that's what I used to do as well. However, what happened was that my emails to clients would end up in their spam folder, so they would never see them, or the email server was down, the inbox was overflowing, or I would just get a whole lot of spam. Until I found out that you can actually have a Gmail address with your own business name. So Gmail is probably the most reliable, up-to-date, speedy, spam-free email service that there is. So setting up your email through that is going to ensure that you don't have to worry about all these things.
So what you want to do is go to workspace.google.com, and then you can start your free trial up here. They have different pricing options, but usually that business starter one is going to be sufficient if you're just one person in your business and you just want to have an email address. You also get, you can have video meetings with Google Meet with 100 people. You get 30 gigabytes of cloud storage per user, which is really awesome because you can use the whole G Drive and your Google Docs and Sheets, which is essentially your Word and Excel. And then you can also link these in Asana, which is really handy as well. Just whenever that trial is finished, going to automatically run you into this standard one. So make sure you switch that back to starter. So just go sign up for your free trial up here. And then you just have to enter your business name, how many people you are, enter your region. Then you just want to add your name and your email address where people can currently reach you at. And then you can either get a domain through here, or most of the time you're probably going to have one already, so you just click that. Just add that domain name in here without that www dot, so just everything after the dot, and hit next. They're just gonna double check if this is the domain that you want to use. Yep. If you want to have marketing emails, no thank you. And then you just add your username, which is essentially that part which comes before the @. So just make sure that you have whatever you want to have your email address to be. And then choose a password and tick that box and go ahead. So now it's created your account, and you're just going to have to set up that domain that it actually links and sends the emails to here. So you're just going to log in, and then you are in your new account. Eventually you're going to end up at this screen here. Just click that away. They're basically just going to walk you through everything. So then you just have a couple of things to do in order to set this up. So it says it wants to activate Gmail, so your email address for this domain. So you just need to basically go to the platform where you bought your domain from, and you need to put a couple of settings in there. But they're basically going to walk you through everything, and there's detailed description as to how to do it depending on which platform you're using. And if you have trouble, you can always ask the support of your domain platform as well. So essentially it's telling us just go to your domain host website, sign into your account, and then go and find that section where you can actually change your MX records, which is going to be called something like DNS management, mail settings, or advanced settings. Select the option to add a new record and then come back here and click next. So then they're going to give you all of these records that you need to add in, and it looks a bit overwhelming, but it is actually really simple. At my domain provider platform, it looks something like this. Okay, so let's try it like this here so you can see what I'm doing. So basically you're just going to copy and paste everything that's in here into your into the fields here. So whoops, just change that first to MX, change the TLL value here, and the priority is 1. Hello. And as you can see, it's going to come up here as an entry. So now you basically just go through and add all the other ones as well. Oops. So you just copy and paste all of these in there. And then at the end, you just need to add one more with this code here. So you just need to copy. Priority is 15. And we'll just add the same value in here and turn that on. And then once you've added all of these things into your domain platform, you can go here and press activate, and it's going to show you this lovely screen where it'll just go through and check all of these and give you a nice little tick if that's been all correct. So it's saying that all of mine are missing, which is not true because I've just added them in. So sometimes it can take a while for these to update. So I would just leave this open, come back here a bit later and check this again. Okay, so I've just come back and checked this again. And as you can see here, it says that the MX records are updated and I'm actually finally connected. So this took quite a long time. Now you can actually send and receive emails to this email address. Just, make sure that you take note of this and then click finish. It says Gmail is activated for that domain. You can then create new users, which I don't need to do, so I'll just skip that. Here that my trial is going to expire at some stage, so if you want to keep going, set up the billing and make sure that you choose the right pricing that you want to have. You can go to Gmail here and try that out. It's going to look like pretty much any other Gmail account that you might have. You can customize your inbox, set your signature, and do all the normal things that you basically can do. However, if you're not familiar with Gmail, one of the best functions I find is this one here. Schedule sent. So you can prepare an email or write an email, and you can just say when you want this to be sent. So actually I need a recipient. And then you can say schedule send, and you can put any time and date that you want to send. Which is amazing if you happen to work, on the weekend and you don't really want to set that expectation with your clients or customers that you're going to reply at that time all the time. You can just prepare your emails and just schedule them to send out on Monday morning 8 a.m, which is awesome. So there you have it. Your business email address set up with Google Mail, but with your business name behind the @ So let me know if you enjoyed this video and how you go with this, and I'll see you in the next video.